What is this?
Cash, gas, cup, gold, curly,
Curly.
gold,
Girl. Clean.
clean, green.
Green. Today we will learn two consonant sound. আমরা এটাকে বলি ক, কে বলি, কি বলি এটা? আমরা বলি ক, এটা কি বলি? না, আমরা বলি কে আর এটা বলি জি। আর সাউন্ড হবে কেজি না, সাউন্ড হবে গ। Speak loudly with me. G. Cash. Gas. Cup. Grab. Curly. Girl. Clean. Green. So দুইটা সাউন্ড গ গ গ। Okay.
Cash, gas,
Good. What is this? Cash.
gas,
Gas. What is this?
cash, gas, cup, gold, curly,
Curly.
gold,
Girl. Clean.
clean, green.
What is this?
Gas,
Cash.
cash, gas,
Girl.
dog,
What is this?
cash, gas,
Cup.
cup, cup,
What is this?
cash, gas,
What is this? What is this? Cash.
cash, gas,
What is this? Cash.
cash,
Gas.
gas,
What is this?
go,
Cash.
gas,
What is this? Cash.
cash, gas.
Good.
Bilingual Learning Center, BLC, Bogura.